how to use WhatsApp on PC or laptop. So if you want to use WhatsApp on your PC or laptop, then what you need to do is you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your browser, and on your browser, you need to search for WhatsApp. After searching for your WhatsApp, you need to go with www.whatsapp.com. After that, you need to go with the first link, and this will take you to this kind of interface. You just need simply go with login, which will be on the top right. Once you click on login, it will take you to this kind of interface. So now what you need to do is take your mobile device in which your WhatsApp is logged in. After that, you need to go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and then go with linked account or linked devices. From the linked devices, you need to tap on link a device and then scan this QR code that is shown on your PC or your laptop. Once you've scanned, it will log you into your account within a few seconds. Now, as you can see that I've scanned my QR code and it's logging me in. In this way, you'll be able to log in and then use your WhatsApp. You can go with your profile, which will be on the bottom, and then change any profile settings right here. Or if you want to download WhatsApp for your Windows, you can also download the application as well. You'll be able to send documents or add contacts. You can choose your notifications and everything. On the top left, you will have your chats. You can add your status as well. And you will have your channels and everything, your communities, and you will also have your media. That's how you can use your WhatsApp on your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.